Hi, this is Divya, a student from 2005 to 7 batch. I'm one of that rarest person who have got chance to spend more time in Elijah Institute of Management Studies. Don't think I've failed. No, I have not. I've got a chance as a student. After that, I've got a chance as a faculty. And imagine the situation where I need to teach my own juniors and the experience which I had, though it was for a little time. After that, I got into UAE and I've joined with Berlin Institute of Technology in UAE, BITS. After that, I again came back to ELIMS as a assistant professor. After my overall of approximately 2 years, I went back to UAE and I've joined with Berlin Institute of Technology in UAE. I joined in Alterica Management, ATMS, and Swiss Business School, and I worked there. I worked for a while in Altic University, and now I'm teaching in another very prestigious education group, that is Adina, which is in UAE. First, as a student, I believe for any college or school to succeed, there are three pillars, important pillars. One is the management and the culture they follow. Secondly, the experience set of teachers. Third, the wonderful set of friends which I'm going to get. So these three things would be the basic pillars of most of the students, which they look into and which they expect. So I would say ELIMS is the best college because all these three good pillars they have. We had a learning culture there. Secondly, as a student, even though I was the topper in the college, don't think that I'm a genius student. Don't think that I'm a perfect student. No. I had my limitations. I did not have much confidence. I had self-doubt regarding my learning. I would sometimes think before I communicate. So, as a student, I had all those symptoms as you face. If I could overcome all those difficulties as a student from ELIMS and have come out as a topper and has come out with confidence and has come out with independence and has come out with my passion. Talking about the teachers, they were very supportive. Rather than being supportive, I think they were just like our friends who made us feel so comfortable that we could ask any doubts regarding any subjects which we learned. And they've given us so much of activities like taking on seminars, case studies, simulations, and many problem solving skills being shared with us. So I think all those role plays, all those activities, the management meets we attended, the industrial visits which we had, all that has transformed us a lot. Not only me, I think most of the batchmates. Basically, I was an introvert person before I joined MBA college. Secondly, I would like to thank my friends who had totally changed and transformed me. They have given me the confidence to believe in myself, to be a little more bold, to speak yes for yes and no for no, and not just to agree yes every time. So all these good support I had in my MBA days there, they have helped me a lot in transforming from an introvert person to a better person. I won't say I'm an extrovert, but a better person. I would suggest not just take things, stand for what is right, what you feel is right. If you've made a mistake, it's fine. Try to improve. One of my friends has influenced me in such a way that I started doing my part-time job during my MBA, so that it has turned me to be independent. At least something for my studies I could contribute to my parents. And one more thing is that, enjoying that part-time independence, I thought, why can't I take my own responsibility? And I took my responsibility. I took myself a debt, not from a bank, but there were people who was ready to help me. And after my studies, they told, okay, it's a wonderful decision to be independent. So they have supported me. And this is why I say the experience which I had is totally different from the culture of the Aleems, from the management side, from the teacher's side, from my own parents' side, ultimately, my friends, and from my Almighty. So all these things have made me capable of doing something, at least. Capable of believing in myself, capable of continuous development, making on progress one after another. So there are challenges, but remember one thing: challenge yourself, not with anyone else. Challenge your skills by yourself. If you think you needs to be challenged, or if you get challenged, challenge yourself, not with others. If you challenge yourself, you're definitely going to make a progress. And all these things you will learn from Aleems. Now, as a teacher, I had a wonderful set of students in Elijah Institute of Management Studies. As I remember, it is from the batch 2012-13. What I got from my own teachers and what I expected from my teachers, I have given them back. Thanks to that batch, they have made me so special. So this is the wonderful gift a teacher could get in their lives. All this is given to me by Aleems. So I would suggest you won't regret your decision to join in Aleems. I would also thank the school which I am right now working, Athena Education, a grammar school, which is one of the leading education group in UAE, having many schools under them. And all those skills which I learned in Aleems, I think this school improving our skills day by day from the encouragement which I got from Athena Education. I've started a YouTube channel during this COVID-19 pandemic situation for the students to help them for the online classes. So I would like you to share and subscribe the channel so that you will get various topics of business which you are studying right now for your BBA, MBA and BCom. You are welcome to ask any topics related to your subject which you think you find it difficult. You just have to comment under the video which I'm posting in my YouTube channel so that probably I would be able to help you out for that. I would like to thank Director of Aleems, Dr. E.K. Kurian sir, Mr. Jimmy and Mr. Jino. All the very best wishes from an alumni over here from UAE for all the teachers out there and for all the prospective students and all my alumni friends. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity for this. See you soon.